Okay, this is a short video to demonstrate the problem that I'm having with the X8W receiver board. What has happened is that the right rear motor will power itself on without power being turned on. Now I am going to turn on the power right now, and you'll notice that the lights come on, okay? Now I'm going to turn the power off. Now I don't have any motors connected, but you notice that I have the power connected to the battery, and the power is off. We don't have any lights on. But as you will notice, that the moment that I plug this motor in, you notice that the motor powers on by itself without the power being on. So Syma, I hope that this video helps you, and maybe you can send me a replacement X8W-17 motherboard to correct this problem, and I will be glad to send you back this motherboard so you can troubleshoot the problem for the future. Again, let me demonstrate. No power is on. The power switch is off. I connect the motor, and you notice that it automatically powers on.